Hello, today we will guide you through how to merge cells in a Confluence table. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the quick process for merging cells while editing a table in Confluence. This is useful when you want to organize information more clearly, create section headers, or combine content across multiple cells for better formatting. The good news is that the process is simple once you know where to look. To begin, open the Confluence page where your table is located. Make sure you are on the page in editing mode so you can interact directly with the table. If your page is already open, just navigate to the area with the table you want to update. Having the table visible on screen before you start will make the next steps much easier to follow. Next, highlight the sample cell you want to work with. This step is important because Confluence needs to know which cell you're selecting before it can show the available table options. Click directly inside the cell, and if needed, drag to select the cell area so it is clearly active. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct location, especially if your table contains several rows and columns. Once the cell is selected, look for the drop-down that appears near the table controls. This menu gives you additional actions for working with your table layout. Depending on your screen size or table formatting, the drop-down may appear slightly differently, but it should become visible after the cell is active. If you don't see it right away, try clicking the selected cell again and watch for the Table toolbar or Contextual menu to appear. From that drop-down, click on Merge Cells. This will combine the selected table cells according to your current selection. After you click it, the table should immediately update, and you'll see the cells merged into one larger cell. This can help simplify your layout and make your table easier to read. As a quick tip before merging, double-check that you've selected the intended cell or cell range, since the result depends on what is active at the time. If the formatting doesn't look the way you expected, you can usually adjust it right away while still in edit mode. And that's it. You've successfully merged cells in a Confluence table. Once you're happy with the changes, you can continue editing the page as needed.